Yeah. Last night somebody sent me a COVID joke. I like to share it. We're in the time of COVID. A little bit of wisdom in it. They said, most wives are like COVID. I'm like, what? What's the connection with wives and COVID? So I had to go and do some research and study it and modify it and figure it out. You understand, brother? I mean, how could a wife be COVID? So after figuring out the whole maths, it's like, in 2020, 2 years ago, when COVID came around, everyone shut down businesses, shut down airports, shut down flying, shut down masjids, shut down everything. Remember? Then last year, everything started opening up back. And when this year came in, it's like everything booming back again, COVID. So how is COVID like this, some wives? Because in the initial stage when men get married, they try to control the wife. So in the initial stage of COVID, they were trying to control COVID. But in 2022, we realized you can't control it, you just got to learn to live with it. So if you can't control your wife, learn to live with it. Otherwise, you'll be living single. Right? And see all the men laughing here. Eh? You're probably expert in that. So COVID time now, if you don't learn to live with it, you're going to be living in some hole back home or somewhere else. You got to just learn to live with it. Take the precaution, do the necessary, put the trust in Allah, keep on the line with the Quran, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make everything easy for us, my brothers and sisters.